We're never gonna stop. From Palestine to Turkey. Hey folks, didn't realize you were there. Give me 2 seconds and I'll go and change. I've just looked back at that attempt at humour and I'm cringing. But you know what? I said fuck it. Let's leave it in. Something different and just all about me trying to be me. On with the video. Alright, joking aside. So this video initially was like going to be a 1.5 minute video of here's the sunset, storm clouds, here's my photographs. That was going to be it. But while I was looking at the photographs afterwards, I thought maybe I could turn this into somewhat of a constructive video. I can't remember when it was a while ago in one of my videos when I was talking about what you should photograph if you're a beginner. And my answer to that was everything. You know, don't worry about niches and what have you, just photograph whatever catches your eye. And I just kind of thought this was like a good example of that very point. Compositionally, there's nothing to it. I was hanging out my bathroom window and we're 6 floors up here. So my foreground is basically the rooftops of the neighbouring buildings. I didn't have to worry about, like, you know, taking that into account. I included some of the buildings, obviously just for context. But yeah, these are just all about the sky and the light, the shadows and the colours that are going on. The only story that's being told is city, sunset and storm clouds. And I just feel like that is like another example of not every photograph has to tell a story. Maybe it's because I'm just a sucker for amazing cloudage. I don't know. That could be the reason. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing like just, you know, when the clouds are like just stormy, and as they are in these images and stuff. And yeah, I mean, that's what it's all about. It's just about Mother Nature doing her thing, and I hope you enjoy. New York isn't just about street photography. I just wanted to show the amazing sunsets that we have. Just look at those colours in the sky and the clouds. It's just spectacular, and how could you not want to take photographs of this? The blues and the oranges, everything about it. These 2 photos are actually shot on my phone, so yeah, the quality's not quite there, but I just think they're amazing. Alright, so this one here, I like this one, and I like this one a lot because I managed to capture the plane in the sky. That's what that little dot is up at the top of the screen. And obviously too, when I was taking these photographs, I was exposing for the sky, so on the bottom here I had to raise my shadows a bit. There's a bit of noise and stuff going on in the photograph, but I mean, I'm not too bothered about it, really. I like this dark strip just going across the middle of the sky. I like how the orange is on the bottom left, and then the whiter parts further up the image. Again, I just think it makes for a pleasing image. And then as we go on to the next one, This one I really like because it's like just kind of blue and white in the sky. Again, just these shadows in the sky are just like so freaking cool, and the texture that's going on. It's like dark in the top left and dark in the top right, but then down through the middle you have these bright spots with the shadows. It's just amazing, like. And then obviously the foreground is what it is. I can't really be changing that, you know. And then for my last image, this one I just love. I just like the shape of the cloud with the glowing through in the middle portion, darkness on the bottom, and it comes up to the right hand side, the patch of blue in the top left hand corner. You see the bridge down on the bottom left, just over the top of the building. Like these photos are just all about the sky. Like I said, no crazy stories or story. It's just sunset, powerful clouds, great lights, and yeah. The moral of the story is photograph whatever you want. And I think even if it was just like a lamppost with these clouds in the background, I'd still take it. You know what I mean? And maybe it's just because I'm a sucker for amazing skies and clouds and stuff. You might be all looking at this going like, that's crap. I don't really care, if I'm brutally honest with you. I love it. And for me, that's all that matters. Yeah, just photograph whatever you want. I keep saying that, I'm sorry. Not everything has to have a crazy story about it. And I can't think of anything else to say, but I'm sure once I'm finished, I'll think of 15 more things to say, but as of now, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later.